So you want to learn how I made $150 in one day with zero money spent.
Ballin', I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it. That is no discussion, bitch. I'm ballin'. I made a promise to my mama. I'ma turn these zeros into tens and commas. Bitch, I'm ballin'.
Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Reinis Fit here, and today I'm coming with another video, and this one's gonna be about how I made $150, zero money spent, as I said in the title. Basically, where did the money come from? That is a good question, and that's pretty much the most important question. We need to answer it right now. It came from my fitness masterclass course sales, and it came from my coaching calls. So how can you achieve the same results? Can you even repeat that? And my answer to that is, well, yes, of course. I mean, for the course sales, you might not be able to repeat that, but I'm gonna tell you things and, you know, tips and stuff like that on how you can do that as passive as possible, right? So the thing I've done with my online coaching, for me, it's just super duper simple. A lot of people just hit me up themselves and ask me, you know, to help them on their personal brand, advertisements, stuff like that. So that's one way I get clients. Now I'm gonna be talking about more or less how I'm gonna get clients. And for the course, on the course, it's a little bit harder because when you send somebody to a course that's $100 and just for fitness, they're gonna look at it like, I might buy it, might not buy it, and let me just move on to the day. So over there, it's more or less just straight selling to the client, and that's why it takes so much more time. I mean, after a while, when the course has been out, with a lot of repetition, affiliates working, it's gonna do much better. It's gonna become more passive, and right now I'm getting like 1 to 2 course sales a week, which is pretty nice considering I don't put any more work into it, except for adding new modules and stuff like that. But I mean, I've put in a lot of work at the start, you know, while creating the course. Right now, my affiliates are just taking over and doing the work for me. So, that's number one thing. Second thing for the courses, yeah, it's pretty much like people just come to me and yeah, they just need some help. I help them out in the DMs. And then we just move on. If they have even more questions and even more things needed to be answered, we just move on to a coaching call in where I earn, it depends on what we're talking about. It's usually 48 euros per hour, which is around 57 bucks per hour. But I mean, if you really want the problem to be fixed, I'm going to fix everything for you, because before we do the coaching call, I understand your problem, I understand what you need, and I prepare beforehand. So I have like in the coaching call, it's pretty much just me giving you value. And if you have any questions, you just ask me, and then I answer them. So that's pretty much how the coaching call works, right? But it's most of the time just me talking and answering things that I've prepared beforehand. So how repetitive is this? I'd say at the start, you might not be able to get $100 a day, 100 euros per day, but you would be able to get, like, I don't know, at least 40 to 60 euros a day, or maybe even 100. Like, you just need one course sale, just break even. And the thing yesterday was the course is sold by an affiliate, so that's why I got around 60 something bucks for that. The coaching calls, those are the clients I close myself. And that's pretty much it. And I had 2 coaching call clients, so yeah, you can do the math. Some of them got the discount. One of them got the discount. The other one, yeah, it was 2. It was 2. One got the discount, one didn't. But yeah, it's just those are 2 main things how I earn my money. And then, if you want to learn more how to build your personal brand so you can do the same thing, guys, just please subscribe down below and just check out other of my content. Like, I have a lot of content on how to grow your Instagram following, how to grow I'm gonna be doing on how to grow your YouTube as well, because I've grown my YouTube to like fucking 4 hours of watch time a day for a channel that's 2 weeks old. That's pretty nice and pretty great. But yeah, guys, I think I'm pretty much wrapped up with this video. I have nothing else to mention you. Yeah, peace.